Well, there seems to be a case of reckless driving of a luxury car that has now been reported from Bengaluru, a green Lamborghini that was seen swerving dangerously at high speed near the Kengeri metro station at the busy road, where it has caused now panic amongst the pedestrians. The video of the incident, which has gone viral, that has now prompted Bengaluru police to step in and register FIR against the driver for reckless driving. Let's connect with Navya on this. Navya, this seems to be the speeding Lamborghini in Bengaluru that has been caught on dash cam. What we are getting to know that the driver has been booked for rash driving and faulty silencer.
Well, you see, in a broad daylight, the Lamborghini was seen overspeeding in Bengaluru near Kengeri, and now the police have been registered an FIR against this for overspeeding in the daylight. And during the day, it was seen in near Mysore Road on Kengeri, because he was also seen overspeeding, especially when there was, it was a busy area, and this was booked under reckless driving for overspeeding is what we are learning, and the police have to suspect now, because this is something that have taken a key note on for overspeeding, that too on a area where there is usually crowded. So this is what we are learning as of now.
Absolutely, Navya. That only not only puts, when it comes to the driver of the car at risk, but others as well who are on the same road as far as such kind of reckless driving is concerned. We are told that the police has also now stepped in.
Right.
Yes, Navya.
So as you can see, now this is not just about overspeeding, but also causing panic among the public, because as I said, it was a broad daylight and people are commuting here and there for workplace, and also it was near the metro station near Kengeri, and now the police have taken a note of this and registered a case of causing panic among the public in the broad daylight.
All right. So meanwhile, what has now been said that the police have booked the vehicle owner and for rash and negligent driving, what we are told, on public ways that endangers human life, and also the Indian Motor Vehicle Act. Navya continues to be with us.